In this video, we are going to see how to get started with Google Colab and start writing Python scripts there. So you need to go to this website colab.research.google.com, and some of you might have used ipython notebook. So there you can write Python scripts and execute uh, that particular cell only and see the results, and you can also add text and visualizations and other things. So first you will see some introductory videos and tutorials within this site. So to create a new Python notebook, you can either create Python 2 or Python 3 notebook. So I will create a new Python 3 notebook, and you can give it a name, Python tutorial 1. So we have here code cells and text cells. So text cells we will use for adding comments. So let's import some libraries. So I can selectively execute any cell. I need not execute it from the beginning, and it will show the result immediately. So here there is no result to show. So now I can add two numbers, or better add a text column here. Add two numbers, and here you can see the preview also, how it will look. So it had added a comment here. So I will take two numbers and I will print their sum. So it prints out 30. Now we can add I can print an array. So this should be a smaller heading, because so this was heading 1 because I had gave this one hash sign. Now here it's 2 means heading 2, and now I will insert a code block. I will take c equal to np.array and let this array has 5 elements, and I want to print this array. So only this cell is executed when I execute it. So you can see here I have printed the numpy array, and you can add text block, and it has some other functionalities like you can print lists, you can write lists. So this is a list, and let's item 1, then item 2. I think we need to give a space after this, so it will display in the preview, so you can correct your text whatever you are writing. So let's write some other text. Oh, I have selected a code block. So and you can you have some UI options also, so you can create numbered list if you want. So this is very convenient, like if you are writing a code and you are inserting some uh, your comments and texts for better understanding of the person or even yourself when you revisit it. So now let's we have written this code and I want to save it. So you can save this code and it was saved to your Google Drive. And you can also download a local copy of this ipython notebook, or alternatively you can share it with someone, like you can enter the email address or you can get a shareable link and you can share it with anyone you want to share. So this is a very helpful tool and very good for learning purpose. So you can learn more about it with the inbuilt tutorials. So we have, you will find various tutorials here inbuilt, and you can also find some existing code snippets like listing files in Google Drive, or neural style transfer. You can search. So you can insert that code snippet in your notebook. Like this was my existing notebook, and here in this new section it inserted that piece of code. So it's very helpful, and try to read more about it. Thanks for watching.